Hi, this is an Eat It Drink It how-to video all about the Gausium Phantas and Phantas Pro cleaning machine. We're going to talk you through all of the maintenance steps that you need to know how to do to keep your machine working correctly. Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to maintain and service the clean water inlet on the Gausium Phantas and Phantas Pro machines. If you open the lid, you'll see at the top right hand corner as you're looking at the front of the machine, there is a small rubber triangular lid with clear water tank written on it. Lift the lid and pull the whole unit towards you and you'll see this is the main water input and has a filter. Now this filter shouldn't really pick up any debris at all. It's there to protect the pump inside the machine. If you do find that there is any sort of debris in there whatsoever, this needs to be reverse flushed out to ensure that there is no dirt in there whatsoever. You can do that just in clean water in a sink, just to ensure that that filter doesn't become blocked. Once you're happy that there is no debris inside the filter, simply reinsert into the machine. Make sure that the rubber lid is in nice and flush and tightly. Close the lid down and the machine is ready to go again.